Wow! We are about to start our...
Let me see.
You want to see yourself? What's that? What are those?
Eggs.
Eggs. You're trying to make? What are you trying to make?
Trying to make egg.
Egg? No, you're trying to make
Cookie.
cookie ba, mama, or brownie? Ah, brownie pala.
Wait lang, painitin ko.
Hi, guys! Sabihin mo,
Hi guys.
It's Seany, the baker!
Done.
Dan na? Nag-mix ka pa lang?
The butter.
Butter. Okay, and then you mix here, okay? Mix them together. Mix. Ayan, sige. Okay, then mix that one. Ayan. Nice.
What's that did you put there? What's the brown thing?
Chocolate.
It's the... What do you call it, Sean?
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Wow, yummy. Oh, more. Okay, more. In the pan.
Wow.
Where's your man?
Wait, become bright.
Right? Yeah, because I mixed everything. If you mixed it, diba? There's butter and there's, what did you put?
And there's egg.
Egg. This mo na yung...
Are you making a chocolate cake? I think it's brownies.
That's brownies. It looks like chocolate cake, right?
Yeah. Where? Where? Gusto ni Sean yun. Mahilig sa siomai.
Lagyan mo naman. Sige, lagyan mo naman ito sa ibabaw.
Seany, the Mr. Siomai. Ay! Paano kaya gawin yung design na lang yan? On top. With mantu on top. And shout! Shout!
You got that one.
Then you will eat this. You share it with everyone.
Wow!
Taste that.
Ay! Frenes!
Can I go inside it?
You make a smiley face. Those are the two eyes, the nose.
Hindi maganda itong... Halika na.
I need scissors. I need
There's your slipper.
Let me get it.
Yeah, sure. Just look.
Oh, look, too far naman. Too far. Sige lang.
Oh, there.
Wow! Oh, ma, pasok ka. Wala kang pot holder.
Yan bake again. And after 15. Cute niya, oh.
So, was it a job well done, Mr. Baker? The job fun, Mr.
Yeah.
Baker?
Yeah.
Was it nice baking?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Wow!
Let me see.
The brownie is cooked, but it's still very hot. Oh, ulikod mo, ma. Wow!
Anyway, open.
So, nandito na po yung baker namin. Na-board na siya. Nandito na siya sa hagdan.
No more. It's there.
Wow! It's there. Oh, look at Mama. She's going to take off the aluminum foil. And what do you have, Shani?
Good morning.
This is my...
My cake.
Yeah, that's what Shani baked. That's his masterpiece. Wow, moist on the outside, soft and chewy on the inside. Wow. Try mo na. Is it yummy? So, will you sell it to us? How much is it?
One.
Is it $1 or 1 peso?
$1.
Oh, so 750 pesos po ang isang hiwa. Ay, nako. Good job, Baker Shani. Will you still bake another cake? What flavor?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Next project, strawberry shortcake.